Do you see this right here? Do you see how the sun is at 7 degrees and then Mercury is at 9 degrees? This is what we call Mercury combustion. And, Mercury is already in retrograde right now. It's going to be in retrograde until August 10th, I believe. And that's because, see, it's in red, the degree, 9 degrees in red. That's indicating it's in retrograde. But not only that, we've got to up the ante here, and now it's also combust. We call this Mercury combustion. And what combustion means is when the sun is very close to another planet. And so if that other planet, in this case Mercury, is within about 8 degrees of the sun, the rays of the sun essentially is like overwhelming, overpowering, and burning the planet that's nearby it. And so what does that do? That further weakens and impacts the functionality of that planet. So, it's like Mercury retrograde times 3 is what we're dealing with. And what does Mercury even represent? It is a planet that deals with communication. It deals with technology, like our phones, our computers, our iPads, our emails, text messages, all of that stuff. It also rules our schedules. So if you're having all these oh, I thought I made the appointment on this day, but it ended up being on another day, for example. So a lot of rearrangement in our schedule, a lot of missed appointments, a lot of cancellations, travel delays, challenges, and obstacles. I had a flight that was canceled and then had to go on the next day, for example. That's classic Mercury retrograde plus combustion. So all of this, Mercury rules the mind. It's our thoughts, our thinking. So if you feel mentally even fried and burnt out, that's normal. Or feeling really confused, you're just lacking a lot of clarity, and it's just the words aren't coming, the ideas aren't coming, it's kind of blank there. Or it could be the opposite, where it's so much. It's overactive, that it's all disorganized and scattered. So if you're having challenges mentally too with your own thinking, maybe it's extreme and obsessive, or you're just feeling, like I said, fried and burnt out, in either direction, this is very, very common when we're dealing with Mercury combustion. And we're going to have this until this week, until the next week. So just know that next week, towards the end of next week, it's going to get a little easier. And the week after that is going to be much better, because this Mercury is going to be in retrograde until August 10th. And after August 10th, we're going to feel so much better. We're going to feel that relief. So, know that we have two things against us. It's the retrograde and the combustion that makes things a bit harder. So be easy on yourself. Know that there's nothing wrong with you. Know that that's just what the energy is in the air, and just be patient, because it is temporary. This isn't going to be around forever, but it is definitely impacting us right now.